Here are the complete instructions for installing your Nureva HDL310 audio conferencing system. For large rooms up to 30 feet by 30 feet, or 9.1 by 9.1 meters. The required tools are a level, a tape measure, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, and a 3/16 inch or 5mm bit. You'll also need up to 4 number 10 screws and anchors. Your system comes with everything you need: the integrated microphone and speaker bar, a remote with batteries, the Connect module with mounting plate, a shielded Cat6 Ethernet cable, a USB cable, and a power cable. You can mount the HDL310 on almost any wall in a large room. For more information on positioning the microphone and speaker bar for optimal sound location data, visit support.nureva.com. The HDL310 can also be mounted on a stand. To get the best possible microphone pickup, mount the unit between 85 and 120 inches, or 216 and 305 centimeters from the floor. It is very important to note that the microphone array is located on the bottom of each microphone and speaker bar. Be sure to leave adequate clearance between the unit and any object below it, such as a display. If the object extends up to 2 inches or 5 centimeters, leave a 3-inch or 8-centimeter gap. For objects that extend 4 inches or 10 centimeters, leave a 6-inch or 15-centimeter gap. For objects up to 8 inches or 20 centimeters, leave a 12-inch or 30-centimeter gap. Set your level at the desired height. Then mark the wall to place the mounting screws 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters apart, or 15 3/4 inch or 40 centimeters each side of center. You can also use the installation template that comes with the HDL310. Drill holes and insert the 2 number 10 anchors and screws. Be sure to leave enough of a gap between the screw head and wall to mount the unit, about 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters. If you choose to run the Ethernet cable behind the wall, now is the time to cut your holes and feed the cable through. No matter how you choose to run the Ethernet cable, plug it into the unit before mounting it on the wall. Now you can align the unit with the screws and mount it on the wall. If you don't run the cable behind the wall, you can also use a wire channel or leave the cable exposed. For most applications, you can simply place the Connect module on a surface. You can also mount it on the wall with the included mounting plate. Plug the Ethernet cable from the microphone and speaker bar into the Connect module. Use the USB cable to connect directly to your in-room computer, laptop, or other appliance. This will allow you to make calls through a UC&C platform like Teams or Zoom. Now plug the power cable into the wall, and then into the Connect module. This will initiate the startup sequence. As the HDL310 calibrates, the status LED will flash different tones, and you'll hear a number of bursts of audio static. The calibration process takes about 20 seconds. Your HDL310 is now ready to go, but you can further configure and customize it with our web-based Nureva app. Use your own Ethernet cable to connect the Connect module to a computer. Open a browser and enter 169.254.254.254. Or locate the MAC address on the bottom of your Connect module and use it to find the system's IP address and enter it into a browser. Once the Nureva app is open, click on Setup Device. It will guide you through device updates, Nureva console enrollment, and more. You can use the Nureva app to adjust audio settings, such as optimizing for Teams rooms or Zoom rooms. To find out everything else Nureva app can do, visit nureva.com/app. To manage and monitor your HDL310 system and all your Nureva devices from the cloud, use Nureva Console. Connect the Ethernet cable from the Connect module to your local network for a secure 24/7 connection to Nureva Console. Then, enroll your device by finding the enrollment code on the bottom of the Connect module and enter it where indicated at console.nureva.com. You can now monitor devices, adjust settings, access analytics, and more. Now set the HDL310 as the default playback and recording device for your operating system and use CNC or audio conferencing software. Your system is ready to be used. For more installation tips, visit support.nureva.com.